So this vlog is really spontaneous because tomorrow is Friendship's Day and one of my friends is keeping a party at her house. So I just felt why not to make like a get ready with me with my friends because they're coming over, and then some shots of the party. But I'm getting late as well, so I'm gonna start getting ready. And the theme of my outfit is very like Y2K. I will just do an outfit reveal later. So I made myself some coffee. I woke up early today and I was just feeling a little sleepy, and tonight we are not sleeping. There's actually like half an hour left for my friends to come. I'm just gonna pack my night suit in this bag. Also, I'm carrying like an extra pair of clothes because basically the dress that I'm wearing today is fully made by me. It's made by me and my mom, obviously. Like my mom helped me because I can't do shit. This is my nightwear for the sleeping part, and I'm gonna keep some chargers. So I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna start my makeup. Excited. Ow, ow, ow. My abs are hurting so much because of working out. Okay. Moisturizer. Let's see how fast can I do my makeup. Then we have a concealer. Now we're gonna quickly blend it. I'm taking some powder. Just don't want it to go in my coffee. Okay, there's no compact powder in my coffee. I'll keep it that side. You guys can't really see the makeup very well. The lighting, which is really bad. I do have a ring light, but why will I use it? Because I'm lazy. Yeah. Now do like pink blush. Then some highlighter, of course. Eyeliner. Wing liner, check. And I think I'm gonna do my lips later. We will now change. Okay, so news. None of my friends are coming over. We all are just getting ready in our own houses. We are getting very late and there's no time for everyone to like come to my house, get ready and then go. I forgot to add mascara. So let's do the final outfit reveal. So for everyone, I made this top with my mom. And this denim skirt is made out of denim jeans. I made it as well. Creative stuff. So we are going up now. Say hi. Okay, no. Huh?
Drinking Coke.
Oh, sure. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know what happened. I'm not even wearing my own jeans. I'm wearing my friend's jeans. I literally have dhania and garlic bread with me right now, but I look so funny. So I'm back home and enjoying some orange juice. I need it so much. I'm so dehydrated. You know why? I love orange juice. Okay, so that was it for the Friendships Day vlog, and happy Friendships Day to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.